Hello, my name is Nate. Welcome to my Fluid Art channel. I am going to be practicing my bloom swipes again tonight. Maybe some scoops and drags, that kind of thing. I have like 15 colors mixed up ready to play with. I'm not sure which ones I'll be using. So the ones I use, I will list those in the video description below. I have some tiles that I got from the hardware store that are defects for one reason or another, but they all have a nice smooth surface on the front. So I'll probably do 2 or 3, we'll see how it goes. I'm ready to go ahead and get started. I have some white house paint as my base. I have some Prussian blue cell activator and some Amsterdam black cell activator, and then a whole rainbow of colors. So I am ready to get started. I will put on some music for you and let's play.
Would you have me back over once again? On and on and on, dwell till I'm torn apart. On and on, stabs going through my heart. Try and save me, try and break my fall. At night we touch, your hand goes through my closer. Would you have me back over once again? On and on and on, dwell till I'm torn apart. On and on, stabs going through my heart. Try and save me, try and break my fall. On and on and on, dwell till I'm torn apart. On and on, stabs going through my heart. Try and save me, try and break my fall. And I could never dream another dream. And I could never fight another fight. 'Cause when I dream of you, another face comes through, and it won't go away. was upside down and you were gone. I couldn't see, it's all in me. Still falling in a dream, down in me. Waking up in my cold sweat, feel like I am deep in debt without you. I'm sitting up in my lonely bed, wondering what I just said to you. I'm holding back the tide of waterfall. A single drip could make it all come down. I'm reaching up for you, higher and higher, higher and standing by the edge of night and day. Don't know where I've been or where I'll stay. Please say you'll be here with me. Still walking in a dream, down in me. Waking up in my cold sweat, feel like I am deep in debt without you. I'm sitting up in my lonely bed, wondering what I just said to you. I'm holding back the tide of waterfall. A single drip could make it all come down. I'm reaching up for you, higher and higher, higher and
So here are the wet results of my 3 bloom tiles tonight. So this is the swipe with the scoop and drags. I love the motion in this. The colors are great. These are about the only cells that you'll see in the whole thing. Some of them, oops, sorry about the shell. Let's go around this way. Oh, some really beautiful cells and lacing through here. That turned out really good. I like, these colors are gorgeous. I always love violets. That got a little transparent there. I'm not sure if I like that, but that right there is spectacular. Love that. I love the layering of some of the scoops and drags there. I like the motion up through here. This almost looks like watercolor. That's really nice. I like that. Yeah, this one, I really like this. This is a lot of fun. Sorry, my messy table and then the shadow. Jeez. My drying room is a mess. But this one, holy cow, look at that. That's the one where I use my mouth to blow it out. And I love that. That's gorgeous. I love this ribbon of cells. Come around here again. Look at those gorgeous cells. Now this one I used quinacridone nickel azo gold. Look at that. The contrast with those blues is just gorgeous. You can get away with color combinations with these blooms that you wouldn't normally do. I used that yellowish green in there too. This is my favorite. I love this one a lot. Super happy with that one. Yeah, that's nice. And then this is the last one that I did. I went back to the blues and violets, and this time I used copper. And I really liked the blowout, but I wanted to see what it would be like to do some scoop and drags in there, but I had already spun it out so much that I didn't have a lot of pillow paint left. So I used a small spatula. I just didn't have enough paint to stretch too far. But it actually stretched out from the center. Again, come over here. It actually stretched, I was able to stretch these cells out from the center all the way to the side. It's a little too symmetrical for me, the two swipes. I knew better, but I really do like it still. Those cells there are gorgeous, some really nice lacing. In the center too, that section right there. Ooh, so pretty. That metallic cobalt blue is gonna dry with a beautiful, beautiful sparkle. Yay, happy with that. Look at that area right there. Ooh, pretty. I love these, almost like boulder cells that you get from a regular pour. Really nice. Some good cells there too. Okay, yeah, I'm happy. I'm improving. I'm getting better. This was a lot of fun to play with. I love that, the blowout and all that splatter. So I'm still learning how much pillow paint I need, and I'm still learning how much color to put on, because I would like some white negative space one of these times. But I'm filling these tiles completely with color, and that's okay. So thank you very much for watching. I will not have dry results today. Today is Saturday, and I'm posting this for my Sunday video. So I will post the dry results for my Wednesday video. So thank you very much for watching. Do all the UB2Bs things, as my friend Julie E says. Like, subscribe, comment, share, all of those things, and come back and see me sometime.